Go. Hey, moving to the next. All right.
Hey, he's coming down. I see him. Come on, Talbot.
Remember to turn your side on, Cecil. Yep. I'm right in the V. I'm coming to the outside of the box. Can't see shit.
Right up there. I saw him run.
Split on the tree right there.
Okay, they're in the bushes.
Oh wait, we didn't do bands again?
Yeah, they're right there. In the bushes.
Dead straight, dead straight.
Dead straight. Oh no, hold on, wait.
Ooh, don't hit Ted. Yeah. He's just like walking in between. Somebody's gonna flank us. Cecil, on me. This way.
Nah, he's not shooting at us.
Well, he can't hit us because of the bush. You see him in the window?
Nah. To the right, to the left. Hit.
What time are you done?
Onside.
They went, they waited.
Come in, flank.
Hey, is there still people at the left side?
I don't see anyone.
Okay.
They're shooting through that bush.
That's two, you're out. Out, go out. Where are they at? Where's he at? Shit, here he comes. He's right behind us. Hit. Shut.
Hit.
Good kill, guys.
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar.
Allah.
Woo!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
He's not hitting far enough. We're good.
Fucking slow ass.
Remember, 2 hands. Hey, Tyler, do we not get any bears this game again?
Okay,
Wait.
it's working now. Hey, I'm gonna push your
That's
left.
confusing.
Push left. Here.
I thought he was with us until he shot me.
That's part of the game. When you step on it, it's so cute watching them play short. Hunter shot me. I really think I'd do out of it.
There's another one in that bracket.
Hey, we're friendly up here. I want to try and get with the woods over there, okay? Alright.
Alright.
Is that a pond?
Yeah.
Wow.
There's one straight ahead going to the right.
He's trying to shoot through these bushes.
Let me see.
Hit!
Josh, can you revive him?
Yeah, I got him in a minute.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Where is
Okay, let him come to us. They're coming.
hit!
Stay back, stay back.
Hit! Hit! Hit!
I'm pinned, dude. I can't
Hit! I'm hit.
Hit.
We're wiped. Good push, guys. Good push. How do we respond to working here?
Huh?
How do we respond to? What do you mean? Aren't you on our
2 minutes, then you're out.
Okay.
And I'm already out, so.
Do we fuck up those fucking wrinkles?
We go on our team. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
We're on the other team though. They don't know.
How many?
Guys.
Yeah.